Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Hashtag Java Servlet Engine Tutorial. Hashtag Introduction to Java Servlets. Java servlets are server-side components that handle requests and responses in a web application. They are a part of the Java EE Enterprise Edition, and provide a way to create dynamic web content. Servlets run on a Servlet engine, or Servlet container, like Apache Tomcat, Jetty, or Glassfish. Hashtag What is a Servlet engine? A Servlet engine is a web server that interacts with Java servlets. It manages the life cycle of the servlets, handles incoming requests, and generates responses. The Servlet engine is responsible for loading and instantiating servlets, managing the Servlet lifecycle, init, service, destroy, routing requests to the appropriate servlets based on URL patterns, handling session management and request attributes. Hashtag Setting up a Servlet environment. To create a Java Servlet application, you need 1 Java Development Kit, JDK, install the latest version of JDK. 2 Web server, download and set up a Servlet container like Apache Tomcat. 3 IDE, use an integrated development environment, IDE, like Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, or NetBeans. Hashtag Steps to create a simple Servlet. Hashtag Step 1, create a dynamic web project. 1. Open your IDE, example Eclipse. 2. Create a new dynamic web project. In Eclipse, go to File-New-Dynamic Web Project. Give your project a name, example My Servlet App. Configure the project settings as needed, use Apache Tomcat as the target runtime. Hashtag Step 2, create a Servlet. 1. Right-click on the src folder of your project. 2. Choose New Servlet. 3. Give your Servlet a name, example Hello Servlet, and specify the package, example com example. 4. Click Finish. Hashtag Step 3, implement the Servlet code. Here's an example of a simple Servlet that responds with Hello, World. Hashtag Step 4, configure web.xml, optional. If you prefer not to use annotations, you can configure your Servlet in the web.xml file located in the web.inf directory. Hashtag Step 5, deploy and run the application. 1. Right-click your project and choose Run as -Run on Server. 2. Select your configured server, example Apache Tomcat, and click Finish. 3. Open a web browser and navigate to http://localhost 8080/myservletapp/hello. You should see the message Hello, World, displayed on the page. Hashtag Servlet Lifecycle. The Servlet lifecycle has 3 main methods. 1. Init, called once when the Servlet is loaded into memory. Use this method for initialization tasks. 2. Service, called for each request made to the Servlet. It can be overridden to handle both get and post methods. 3. Destroy, called once when the Servlet is taken out of service. Use this method for cleanup tasks. Hashtag Conclusion. Java servlets provide a powerful way to create dynamic web applications. By using a Servlet engine, you can handle HTTP requests and generate responses efficiently. This tutorial covered the basics of Servlet creation, deployment, and lifecycle management. You can expand your application by adding more servlets, handling different HTTP methods, and integrating with databases. Hashtag further learning. Explore Java Server Pages, JSP, for templating. Learn about Java EE frameworks like Spring MVC. Understand session management and cookies in servlets. Dive into RESTful web services with JAX-RS. This concludes the tutorial on Java servlets. Happy coding!